Jax Robotics is a club that goes under FLL. FLL stands for First LEGO League. It's a program under US First, which is an acronym also for United States for Inspiration, Recognition of Science and Technology. FLL Robotics is also a program for kids 9 to 14, and it helps inspire their young minds to think like an engineer and find innovative solutions to world problems.
This is an annual challenge that comes out every year on a specific topic, and this year it's about food factor. And the three areas that these kids are judged are on number one, the core values, how they're coming together as a team, and they demonstrate the core values of being a great team member. Number two, it's on the robot games, which includes the robot performance as well as robot design. Number three is on the research work that they have to do on the theme of the annual challenge, which is food factor. They need to come up with an innovative solution to a problem that exists.
The annual challenge for 2011-2012 is food factor, which we have to find a solution to extend or preserve food to keep it fresh and safe.
Research, it started from the kitchen, where everybody chose 5 food items, and when we went to one of our meetings, we shared all of that food items, and the most common between us all was bread.
We started researching about bread. We found out that bread starts getting mold and bacteria after its expiration date on the package. So what we do is we came up with this solution that is already existing, which is called maltogenic amylase. It is an enzyme that breaks down flour starch, and it helps extend the life of bread. Now, our solution was to use nanotechnology.
Nanotechnology, this is where we try to find if the bread is stale or contaminated. We write the bread packages with nano ink, and the expiration date, it will glow red, which indicates that the bread is stale or contaminated.
The robot design and performance. They have to show their design to the judges, and then they have to compete in a match. This year's it was food factor, related to food. So all the missions on the table that you see are related to food.
We programmed the robot by using NXT. It's a software that you download, and what it does is it has a couple of blocks, and move block, you take it and you put it into your table, and it helps the robot move and everything. So we use that as a easy way of programming a robot to accomplish certain tasks. The whole point of the game is that you're supposed to get enough and as much as points required to move on to the next level.
We started this club 2 years back, and this is our second year, and we invite everyone, all the kids age ranging from 6 years to 14 years of age. They can join our club, and they learn a lot of science, they do robotics, they do mechanical work.
What we have seen over a period of time is students come in with no knowledge of science and engineering, but they get interested. That's one aspect of it. The second aspect of it is we have seen a tremendous change in the kids in terms of how to think creatively and how to get their innovation aspect out. And the third and the most important part is the teamwork. So kids get to work together as a team, and we see that they become, over a period of time, great team players, and they try to deliver together as a team.
Personally, I've learned a lot by learning how to program, how to think like a scientist, how to be an engineer.
I think a program like this is going to help not only teach them specifics about engineering or teamwork or these different functions, but it's also going to create an excitement in them. So as they progress into new classes, in their future education, they'll really be looking for these new and inventive ways to solve problems.
I hope students get out of this program not only their interest that's growing within them on science, engineering, and technology, but I also believe that they try to be good global citizens in terms of trying to find out the problems that exist in our real life and try to find solutions. And I believe that whether it is entrepreneurship or thinking innovatively or creatively, it all starts right here.